So today I want to show you also how we actually position our intelligent personal assistant as the holistic intelligence in the car. That we do on the one hand by actually making speech interaction with our voice assistant more powerful than ever before, but also we're helping customers to fit their car to their needs by creating individual routines which should help them to enhance their daily drive. Let's have a look at how you can actually create that. So if I go to the Personal Assistant app and go to the Routines tab, you see that we have two routines at the moment. One is start of journey and one is for arrival at home. In the future, we will actually curate here more and more routines and give customers the possibility to adjust their drive even more. For today, let's look at start of journey. What you see here is a hand-curated list of functionalities that customers can actually adjust to their liking, which will then be directly started when they jump into the car through either a single press of the button on the steering wheel or through saying, yes, please. For now, I'll actually only enable that it switches to sport mode and activate the routine in this menu. So if I now go here and I start my journey, we will see that the assistant is coming up and is suggesting that the routine should be started, and I can simply accept it by pressing the yes button. And we see we're jumping to sport mode. If customers are actually doing certain changes very often, we can even enhance their routine over lifetime. I'll for now actually set up the start of journey routine. And you see here the hand-curated list of functionalities that we currently support. For example, you can turn on your seat massage at the beginning of your ride, or if you're living in a cold area in the winter, you can also directly start the defrost function. For now, I will actually use the speed limit warning functionality and turn it off when I jump into the car. I'll activate my routine, and then after a certain time frame, we will see that the assistant is actually suggesting to start the routine when we jump into the car. Here we go. I accept it with a single touch, and we see that the routine is being started and actual SLI is being deactivated. If I now also start using certain modes very regularly, the assistant will keep on suggesting to actually adjust those routines so they are actually a living feature and enhance over lifetime to fit the user needs better and better. So if I switch to sport mode and do that very regularly, we will also see that the assistant is trying to suggest to add it to my routine. Here we see the example, add sport mode to routine. I can confirm with a press and it will show up at the next start of my routine. All right, this is how we try to enhance users' drives even more in the future and hope to make it a more pleasant ride with their BMW iX3.